Welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix something that has been bothering me. Okay, so on Windows, if you were to hit the Windows key like this and you wanted to search for a certain application, let's press that again. There we go. Um, such as Adobe Reader, for example. You're looking for your Adobe Reader and instead you get a lot of web searches, right? I don't know about you, but when I want to look for, want to search something on the internet, I'm just going to go to the internet browser. I don't want to search through, here. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of all these internet searches so that, it's not stuff's not in the way. So we're going to go to Reg Edit, a very dangerous place. So be careful here. We're going to go to H key current user. We're going to go to software, policies, Microsoft, Windows. Here we're going to go ahead and right click, select new, right click, select new key, and we're going to name this Explorer, then hit enter. We're going to right click that new folder. And we're going to select new dword 32-bit value. And we're going to give it the following name with no spaces. It's going to be disable, search box, suggestions. And then we're going to go ahead and hit enter. We'll double click it and change its value from 0 to 1. Then we click OK, close Reg Edit, and we're going to reboot the machine. I'm using a virtual machine, so hopefully it's faster. All right, so I want to go ahead and log in. And now all those internet searches should be gone from the search menu. So when you click it, you don't see anything from the internet. Earlier, it was showing something from Wikipedia. And now if I search for Adobe, there is no results because I don't have Adobe installed. But I do have Visual Studio Code. And as you can see, there's nothing from the internet. It's just showing me Visual Studio Code, the application that I'm searching for. So I think this is very helpful to get rid of that, extra stuff basically, because you could be looking for an app that you think you have installed, and then you see a bunch of web links. So I hope you guys like this little hack. If you enjoy my content, please give it a like, share with your friends. This could be useful for your friends. And if you like the channel, please subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Thank you very much. And you guys have a great day.